To fix issues with Dragon Age, such as stuttering and low FPS on PC or laptop, start by restarting your computer and opening the game to see if the problem persists. If it does, try enabling NVIDIA's debug mode by right-clicking on an empty space on your desktop, selecting Show More Options, and then clicking on NVIDIA Control Panel. Alternatively, you can open the NVIDIA Control Panel via the search function in Windows. Once inside, click on Help and then Debug Mode to ensure it is turned on. Next, still within the NVIDIA Control Panel, go to 3D Settings and click on Manage 3D Settings. Select the Global Settings tab and scroll down to Shader Cache Size. Click on this and set it to either 10 or 100 gigabytes, depending on the capabilities of your computer. A gaming computer or laptop can likely handle 100 gigabytes. After adjusting the shader cache size, close the NVIDIA Control Panel and proceed to update your BIOS by visiting your computer manufacturer's website and downloading any available BIOS updates. Installing these updates may help resolve the issue. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, optimize the game by opening GeForce Experience. If you don't have GeForce Experience installed, you can download it from the NVIDIA website. Once installed, open GeForce Experience. Find your game under the Home tab and click on it. Wait for the optimization process to complete, and then click the Optimize button. After optimizing, launch the game to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, open the Task Manager by right-clicking on an empty space in the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Go to the Details tab. Find the game. Right-click on it. Hover over Set Priority and select High. This will allocate more resources to the game, potentially improving performance. Next, type Graphic Settings in the Windows search box. Open the relevant result. Find your game in the list. Click on it. Select Options and choose High Performance where your GPU is listed. Click Save to apply the changes. Another option is to open Steam as an administrator. To do this, completely close Steam by right-clicking on the Steam icon in the system tray, selecting Exit Steam, and then checking the Task Manager to ensure all Steam processes have been terminated. If any Steam-related processes are still running, click on them and select End Task. Once Steam is fully closed, search for Steam in the Windows search box. Right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, enter your admin PIN or login credentials. After opening Steam as an administrator, go to your game library and launch the game from there by clicking the Play button. If the issue remains, right-click on the game in your library, select Properties and then click on Installed Files. From there, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan your game files for any issues and re-download or reinstall files as needed, potentially resolving the problem. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to consider other troubleshooting options or seek further assistance.